Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done another Autowatch Ghost 2 on a Porsche Cayenne 2016. How the system works is someone wants to grab the key, clone the key from the house and jump in and try and start it. This is what would happen. If we try and start it, the vehicle will start and then it will cut out, okay? Try and start it, you just over crank, it won't start. So every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, main ignition on without starting it, insert the code which we're going to change shortly, so 1 2 3 4, receive a full beam flash inside. There you go, 2 flashes, and then we can start the vehicle. Okay, let's just start the vehicle, foot on the brake and start it. Okay, vehicle starts, no problem at all. If the customer wants to place it in valet mode, this is also very straightforward. So first of all, they would have to pass authorization. So main ignition on, insert the code 1 2 3 4, wait for the internal flash of the full beam. That means we've disarmed it, and then we hit the driver's window up 5 times. So 1 2 3 4 5. Full beam will give us 5 flash handshake. There you go. And the Ghost 2 is now in valet mode. So this Ghost 2 is speed dependent and distance dependent. So as long as you don't go over 30 mile an hour for more than 15 minutes and 1 second, you'll be fine. If you exceed it, 32 mile an hour for 15 minutes and 1 second, it will jump out. We'll get visual confirmation. When you turn it off and try and start it, it would need the code. Okay? When the customer gets the vehicle back, the way he would disarm it is again, main ignition on, just insert the code. We'll get 2 flashes and it will come out. Okay? If the customer wanted to change the code, this is slightly different to the standard Ghost systems where you tap the accelerator. Rather than tapping the accelerator, you would have to keep your finger on the hazard light switch. So this is what we're going to show you now. So first of all, I'm going to get the customer here to hold the button down because it's going to be difficult to do it with my phone. So basically, main ignition on, pass authorization. So 1 2 3 4. Okay, there we go, we've got the flash. Now if we get the customer to hold the hazard button down, as he's holding it down, we'll insert the code again, 1 2 3 4. If you watch carefully, the full beam internally will start to flash. We're ready to learn a code. So now I'm just going to do tap, 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 tap. We're going to get 3 flashes. Okay, but this time I'm actually going to make a mistake. So I'm going to go tap, 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 tap. Going to give me 4 flashes to tell me the code's incorrect from the first one, as you see. So let's just relearn the code again. So tap, 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 tap. I think we've exceeded that, so obviously we'll start all over again. So now main ignition off, turn off hazard lights off. So this is if you were to make a mistake, okay? So now let's do it again. So main ignition on, insert the original code, 1 2 3 4. Flash. Customer's going to hold the button down on the hazard light switch, take us to learn mode. 1 2 3 4. If you watch now, it will start to flash. As it starts to flash, we can let go of the hazard light switch now and we can learn the code. So tap, 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 get 3 flashes. But this time I'm going to do the new code correctly. So tap, 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 tap. We're going to get 2 flashes and the code will be learnt. There you go, ignition off, hazard lights off, code is now learnt. So we'll give it 10 seconds and we'll just test it. So main ignition on, insert the new code, tap, 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 tap. Wait for the double flash, you must wait for the double flash. There you go. And now foot on the brake, start the vehicle. Okay, really simple, really straightforward. As I said, this is the Ghost 2 Immobiliser fitted to a 2015 Porsche Cayenne. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 02890600478. 02890600478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.